I will activate your mind to manifest anything you desire. And I mean anything. I will activate your mind to manifest it, and you will see signs of its manifestation almost instantly. It's that fast. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And the activation is all done. We're done with it. It's completed. You are about to manifest anything you desire. You see, I've activated your mind, your brain. And now your brain, instead of working against you, will now be working for you. You see, your mind is the connecting gateway to the infinite. We connect to God, the divine, the universe, through our subconscious mind. That's the doorway. That's how we connect. And that means you can manifest anything you desire once your mind is activated. Oh, you can manifest your specific person, of course. You can manifest your soulmate or the love of your life. You can save a relationship that is going through some struggles. What else? You can manifest huge, and I do mean huge, amounts of money. And you can manifest happiness and health. You can have it all. You see, in this video, I have activated your mind to manifest anything you desire. Now, even if you are a doubter, I don't believe in the law of attraction, Robert. It's all rubbish. I don't buy it. I don't believe in that you can activate my mind or that you did activate my mind. It doesn't make any difference. You're going to see the signs that your mind has been activated and you're now in alignment with manifesting your specific person, money, success, health, whatever it is you desire. Now, high flyers, this isn't something I just made up, I just pulled out of a hat. This is based on science and the study of what we call the reticular activating system, or the RAS portion of your brain. It's also based on the law of frequency and the law of vibration. Now, whether you believe it or not, whether you accept it or not, your mind has already been activated. It's already done. It's completed. Now, here are the signs that your brain has been activated to manifest anything, and I do mean anything, you desire. Today, in the next few minutes, maybe in an hour, you're going to see one of three signs, and you might see all three. Now, the first sign is a bouquet of red roses. I don't know where you're going to see these red roses, but they are a sign. When they show up, understand your reticular activating system is proving to itself that what it believes about its manifestation, that it deserves the manifestation you desire, is happening. This is how it's proving it. So you may see a bouquet of red roses. You might see them on the internet. You might see them in a store. You might see somebody carrying them. Maybe somebody's going to give you a bouquet of red roses. You may see the number 1111, and you may see it on your watch or your clock exactly at 1111. Or you might see it on a license plate or a sign or on the internet someplace. And the last one is you might see a beautiful swan. You know those ducks that have the real long neck? You might see one. You might see one in a pond. You might see one in an ad. You might see one on the side of a bus. I don't know where you're going to see it, but you're going to see this swan. And that's the universe and your reticular activating system coming together to prove to you that what you desire is now being manifested. Every time you see one of these signs, red roses, 1111, a beautiful swan, every time you see one, I want you to remind yourself, just stop for a moment, stop and remind yourself that what you desire is already yours. That these signs is the universe, the divine, saying yes to you. And the universe always says yes. You see, what I've done is I've activated your reticular activating system. And now your mind is going to be more detached from outcome. You know how when you're worried about outcome, nothing seems to happen, nothing seems to manifest. You're almost in a counterintention state. But when you detach and you let it go, then all of a sudden things begin to happen. Energy begins to flow. Good things begin to manifest in your life. Your reticular activating system is there to help you prove to yourself that what you believe is real. And how's it going to do that? Well, you're going to see red roses, the number 1111, and a big, beautiful white swan. Now, if you see all of them in the same day, all I'm going to say is, man, you better get the fireworks ready and the confetti and the bottle of champagne, because it's happening in your life right now, immediately. Now, you can't consciously try to see it. That's not fair. I don't want you to go to the supermarket knowing that there might be a bouquet of red roses there, or go to the pond in your park and say, I know I'm going to see a swan there. That doesn't count. Just allow it to happen. Allow the universe to present it to you, and you will see it. You see, somehow, some way, your mind is going to draw these signs to you, and it's going to be proof positive that what you desire is unfolding in your life. You're about to get what you want, in other words. Just know this, you'll recognize the signs when you see them. Don't worry about missing them, because you won't. You can't. I've activated your brain. I've activated your mind. And so now you are activated to be in a state where you are manifesting and receiving rather than worrying and rejecting. These are signs that what you desire is already yours. I want you to share down below whether you've seen the signs. Come back here, mark this video somehow, save it, and come back. When you see the signs, write them down and share them with other people. This activation allows you to detach from outcome, which allows the universal flow of frequency and vibration to take your intentions and draw them to you. Okay, let me share a few other ways that you can activate your reticular activating system. And I would recommend that you do it while you are manifesting whatever it is you desire to manifest right now. I always see signs that my specific person wants me and only me. I constantly see signs that wealth and money are now flowing into my life in large amounts. So you have the idea, you understand what's happening, and you know that you're going to see red roses, 1111, or a beautiful swan. Let these signs, as you see them, serve as a really potent reminder that you already have what you desire, because the universe, it always says yes. Speaking of the word yes, I would like to give you 3 days of miraclehypnosisonline.com. So you can go to miraclehypnosisonline.com. We have an app in the App Store. We have it in the Google Store, so you can get it there as well. But if you go to miraclehypnosisonline.com, you can try it for 3 days. absolutely free. This is the way you change your mind to manifest the life you desire. Now, be sure and click that subscribe button. Watch this next video as well.